The Earth rotates on its axis. It means that it turns around itself. The spinning of the Earth around itself is known as rotation. It is also known as axial motion. The Earth also moves around the Sun. This is known as revolution. The Earth revolves in a particular orbit. Hence, this motion is known as orbital motion. The Earth rotates around itself from west to east. Hence, the western meridians face the Sun turn by turn as the eastern meridians go into darkness. The meridian that comes into the sunlight experiences sunrise. On the other hand, the meridian that experiences sunset is going into darkness. The meridian that is exactly in the middle of these two meridians is right in front of the Sun. It is midday on this meridian. Sunrise and sunset at a place do not occur at the same time every day. During summer, days are longer and nights shorter. It is just the opposite in winter. That means daytime changes with the seasons. Hence, the time of sunrise and sunset on the Earth is not the same at all places on a meridian. It changes according to the latitude. However, midday occurs at the same time at all places on one meridian. The period from one midday to midday, known as a day, is a period of about 24 hours. The period between sunrise and sunset is known as daytime, and the period between sunset and sunrise is known as nighttime. Our shadow cast at sunrise is very long. As the sun rises higher into the sky, it gets shorter. The length of this shadow is the shortest at midday. As the sun descends, our shadow again becomes longer and longer. Observe the figure. It shows the positions of our shadow. Observe the shadows and make a note of when the shadow is longer and when it is shorter. The time at which the shadow is the shortest is midday at that place, and the time is 12 noon there. At this time, it is 12 noon at all the places on that meridian. Midday occurs at different times on different meridians. When it is midday in Mumbai, it will not be so in Kolkata. As Kolkata is to the east of Mumbai, it is already past midday there. When the time at a place is given with reference to its midday, it is called the local time of the place. There is no problem in using the local time of a place in a limited area, but it is inconvenient when people in a large area have to communicate with one another. There is a difference of 4 minutes in the local time of places on two meridians that are 1 degree apart. This difference of 4 minutes seems very small to us, but when the longitudinal distance is more, the difference in time increases. Hence, the east-west expanse of some countries of the world is very, very vast. It is not convenient to have one standard time in vast countries like the United States of America, Canada, or Russia. The United States of America have 4 different standard times. Different countries have different standard times. In order to have proper coordination worldwide, they are compared to a common place. The meridian which passes through Greenwich is considered as the prime meridian. Hence, the difference in the standard time of different countries is told according to Greenwich time. Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes, that is, 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich. It means that when it is 6 a.m. at Greenwich, it would be 30 minutes past 11 in the morning or 11:30 a.m. in India. See the color map 2 World. The clocks show what time it would be at different meridians when it is midday at Greenwich.